call comes to a close, we at Lyceum Global would like to take a moment to reflect on an extraordinary year of growth, connection, and impact. December is a time to celebrate our achievements and express heartfelt gratitude to all of you, our supporters, partners, and community. This year, Grace programs shone brightly across our initiatives. In January, our team proudly presented at the 22nd Annual Hawaii International Conference on Education, sharing our work on developing emotional intelligence. Through the GRACE model, we inspire global educators to cultivate resilience and emotional well-being in their students. Dr. Anna Nguyen was a closing guest speaker at the AAPI Health Summit in Houston. Drawing on the GRACE model of gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement, she emphasizes the power of creative arts and the critical role of AAPI organizations in equipping families, youth, older adults, and new immigrants with resources for healing and resilience. Reflecting on her journey, it truly reminding us of the transformative power of letting go of the past, embracing the growth, and stepping forward into the future with courage and love. Our reach expanded even further this year. Lyceum Global's courses touch hundreds of students and educators, from civic education to America Studies to 2 GRACE courses tailored for Vietnamese learners. Additionally, our English GRACE course connected 25 learners globally, proving that the power of GRACE knows no borders. Summer was a season of impact. In Vietnam, we trained 100 teachers, launched an after-school program benefiting 120 fifth graders, and introduced teens to GRACE at the Vietnamese Leadership Youth Summit. In Houston, we hosted a GRACE summer camp for youth aged from 10 to 13, and we co-organized the inaugural Youth Empowerment Summit, which empowered AAPI youth to lead and serve their communities. Lyceum Global's work continues to grow internationally. This year, Living in Grace was translated into Nepali to support suicide prevention programs, and Hindi translation is underway for GRACE initiatives in India. We also launched a global research initiative to develop the GRACE assessment, a vital tool for supporting mental health in underserved regions. While this year was filled with achievements, it was not without challenges. Our president, Dr. Chun Nong, faced health obstacles with incredible resilience. His strength inspired us all to keep pushing forward, proving that challenges can be met with grace and determination. Your support has made all of this possible. From workshops to global programs, you have helped us touch lives, empower youth, and build a brighter future. As the year ends, we invite you to join us in the spirit of giving during our Giving Tuesday campaign and our year-end campaign. Every contribution, no matter how small, helps us to continue our mission. From all of us at Lyceum Global, we wish you and your family a joyful holiday season. Let's continue to shine our light and spread grace into 2025. Together, we make a difference. Happy holidays from Lyceum Global.